Let's look at this trigonometric summation. If summation r equal to 1 to 13, 1 over sine of pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi over 6 times sine pi by 4 plus r pi over 6, that is equal to a root 3 plus b. Here a and b are integers. Then we need to find the value of a power 2 plus b power 2. At first glance, the expression appears slightly complicated since each term involves two sine functions that vary with the r. To simplify this type of problems, we usually look for a pattern or a formula that can help us reduce the expression, isn't it? Here, we will try to express the denominator in a simpler way using a trigonometric identity. Let's see how we can simplify the denominator. What they given? Sine of pi over 4 plus r minus 1 pi over 6. This angle, you consider this as a capital A. So we are considering A as pi over 4 plus r minus 1 pi over 6. Now look at this. Here we have a sine pi by 4 plus r pi over 6. This angle you consider this as a capital B. Here, if you do b minus a, what is b? Pi over 4 plus r pi over 6. This is b. Minus of, what is a? Pi over 4 plus r minus 1 pi over 6. If you open the bracket, then it is going to be r pi over 6 minus pi over 6. Here we have a minus. If you open the bracket, this term is going to be minus pi by 4 minus into plus minus r pi over 6 minus into minus plus pi over 6. Observe here, plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 gets cancelled, and here plus r pi over 6 minus r pi over 6 gets cancelled, so we left only pi over 6. So if you do b minus a, we are getting only pi over 6. Here, if you take sine on both sides, that is going to be sine of b minus a, that is going to be sine pi over 6. What is sine pi over 6 value? Sine pi over 6 is nothing but sine 30. Sine 30, the value is 1 over 2. Left hand side, it is in the form of sine of a minus b formula. Let's apply that formula. Sine b cos a minus cos b sine a, that is equal to 1 over 2. But in the given expression, a denominator we have sine this a times sine b, isn't it? Denominator what we have? We have sine a times sine b. We have to convert in terms of that. That's why both sides we have to multiply by sine a sine b. So what you have to, both sides you have to multiply by sine a sine b. Here this denominator sine a sine b, it applies for the numerator two terms. So we can write individually, isn't it? Sine b cos a divided by sine a sine b minus cos b sine a divided by sine a sine b, that is equal to 1 over 2 times 1 over sine a sine b. Observe here, sine b gets cancelled, so we left only cos a over sine a is nothing but cot a. The first term convert into cot a minus, here observe sine a and sine a gets cancelled, so we left only cos b over sine b is nothing but cot b. On the right hand side, a denominator we have a 2. So that's why both sides if you multiply by 2, then here 2 gets cancelled. So right hand side we left only 1 over sine a sine b. In the given question we have a summation r equal to 1 to 13. So let's take that. Let's take that summation r equal to 1 to 13. On the right hand side also you have to take, both sides you have to take summation r equal to 1 to 13. So after simplifying the denominator, we got this. So now we have to simplify this 2 times summation r equal to 1 to 13 cot a minus cot b. That is going to be your 1 over sine a sine b. So that's why simplify this only cot a minus cot b. Actually this summation r equal to 1 to 13 cot a minus cot b, it is a telescoping series. So if you substitute r equal to 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on 13, intermediate terms going to be gets cancelled. So we are going to left only first and last terms. Now it is easy to solve. Let's substitute r equal to 1 to 13. What is the a? A is nothing but pi over 4 plus r minus 1 pi over 6. And b also you have to take pi over 4 plus r pi over 6. Let's take this a and b values. Now you have to substitute r equal to 1. So when r equal to 1, cot of what we have? We have pi over 4 plus r minus 1, that is 1 minus 1 times pi over 6. 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0. So this term is going to be 0. So we'll have to only cot pi by 4 minus, here also you have to substitute r equal to 1. In the second term, you have to substitute r equal to 1. So cot pi over 4 plus, so 1 times pi over 6 So if you take LCM here, 5 by 4 plus 5 by 6, the LCM is 12. So the numerator is going to be 3 pi plus 2 pi, which is 5 pi over 12. So 5 by 4 plus 5 over 6, the value is 5 pi over 12. When you are substituting r equal to 1, we got this. Plus, now we have to substitute r as 2. Cot of pi by 4 plus r value we are taking 2. So that means 2 minus 1, which is 1, times pi over 6. Just now we found 5 by 4 plus 5 over 6, the value is 5 pi by 12. So directly we can write this as 5 pi over 12. Now we have minus, so let's do minus cot of pi over 4 plus r we taking as 2, so that is 2 pi over 6, up to so on, plus now we have to take the last term, which is r equal to 13. Cot of pi over 4 plus r minus 1, that is 13 minus 1, which is 12 pi by 6. So if we get 2 cancel, we are going to get pi over 4 plus 2 pi minus cot of, here what we have 5 over 4 plus 13 pi over 6. Here minus 5 pi over 12 and plus 5 pi over 12 gets cancelled, and like that all the intermediate terms gets cancelled. So we left only the first term and the last term. So what is the first term? Cot pi over 4 minus cot, what we have pi over 4 plus 13 pi over 6. And we know that cot pi by 4 is nothing but cot 45. The value is 1. The first term, the value is 1. Only we need to find this cot pi by 4 plus 13 over 6. Just take only the pi over 4 plus 13 pi over 6. This 13 pi over 6, we can write this as 2 pi plus 5 over 6, isn't it? So if you take LCM here, 6 2s are 12 pi plus pi, which is 13 pi over 6. That means instead of 13 pi over 6, we can write this as 2 pi plus pi over 6. Now here we can write this as 2 pi plus pi over 4 plus pi over 6, isn't it? So this 5 over 4 plus 5 over 6, the value is 5 pi over 12. So 2 pi plus 5 pi over 12. So instead of this, so we can write this as 2 pi plus 5 pi over 12. So what is 2 pi? 2 pi is nothing but 360. Cot of 360 plus theta, which gives only cot theta, isn't it? So that means the second term is going to be cot of 5 pi over 12. Now what is 5 pi over 12 value? 5 pi over 12. That means 5 times 180 over 12, which is nothing but 75, isn't it? So that means cot 5 pi over 12 is nothing but 75 degrees. What is cot 75 degree value? Which is 2 minus root 3. Cot 5 pi over 12, we can simply write this as 2 minus root 3. That is 2 times 1, open the bracket, 2 minus into minus plus root 3. 1 minus 2, which gives minus 1. After open the bracket, that is going to be 2 root 3 minus 2. So actually what is this value? This value is summation of r equal to 1 to 13, 1 over sin A times sin B. Summation r equal to 1 to 13, 1 over sin A. Sin A is nothing but pi over 4 plus r minus 1 into pi over 6 times sin B is nothing but pi over 4 plus r pi over 6. This is sin A sin B. So after simplifying, what we got? We got 2 root 3 minus 2. 2 root 3 minus 2. So in the given question they said this value is equal to a root 3 plus b. So after comparing these two, so we can say that the a value is 2, then b value is minus 2. What's our goal? We need to find a power 2 plus b power 2 value. So a is 2. So 2 power 2 is nothing but 4 plus b value is minus 2 whole square, that is 4 only. So 4 plus 4, that is 8. So a power 2 plus b power 2, the value is 8 only. That's it for today's video. If you like this content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.